English Conversation Junction.
How was your day?
It was okay.
How was your day?
It was okay.
Did you have any plans for today?
No, not really.
Did you have any plans for today?
No, not really.
Want to grab a bite to eat?
Sure, where do you want to go?
Want to grab a bite to eat?
Sure, where do you want to go?
How about that new burger place downtown?
Sounds good. What time?
How about that new burger place downtown?
Sounds good. What time?
Around 7?
Perfect. See you then.
Around 7?
Perfect. See you then.
How was your weekend?
It was great. Thanks for asking.
How was your weekend?
It was great. Thanks for asking.
Did you do anything fun?
Yeah, I went hiking with some friends.
Did you do anything fun?
Yeah, I went hiking with some friends.
Sounds like a blast.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Sounds like a blast.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Not really, been too busy with work.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Not really, been too busy with work.
I hear there's a good one out in theaters.
Oh, really? What's it called?
I hear there's a good one out in theaters.
Oh, really? What's it called?
The Lost City?
Haven't heard of it.
The Lost City?
Haven't heard of it.
Maybe we could catch it together sometime?
Sure, that sounds like fun.
Maybe we could catch it together sometime?
Sure, that sounds like fun.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yeah, I find it relaxing.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yeah, I find it relaxing.
What's your favorite dish to make?
Probably pasta. It's simple yet tasty.
What's your favorite dish to make?
Probably pasta. It's simple yet tasty.
Any special recipes you swear by?
My mom's lasagna recipe is unbeatable.
Any special recipes you swear by?
My mom's lasagna recipe is unbeatable.
Would you ever consider going skydiving?
No way, I'm terrified of heights.
Would you ever consider going skydiving?
No way, I'm terrified of heights.
What about bungee jumping?
Also no, I prefer to keep my feet on the ground.
What about bungee jumping?
Also no, I prefer to keep my feet on the ground.
Fair enough. How about zip lining?
Maybe it seems less scary than the others.
Fair enough. How about zip lining?
Maybe it seems less scary than the others.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Definitely a night owl.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Definitely a night owl.
So am I. I love staying up late.
It's the best time to relax.
So am I. I love staying up late.
It's the best time to relax.
What's your favorite late night snack?
Popcorn, hands down.
What's your favorite late night snack?
Popcorn, hands down.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Not really, but they make for good stories.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Not really, but they make for good stories.
Have you ever had a paranormal experience?
No, thankfully.
Have you ever had a paranormal experience?
No, thankfully.
Me neither, just curious.
Yeah, it's interesting to think about.
Me neither, just curious.
Yeah, it's interesting to think about.
Have you traveled much?
Not as much as I'd like.
Have you traveled much?
Not as much as I'd like.
Where's the coolest place you've been?
Probably Japan. It was incredible.
Where's the coolest place you've been?
Probably Japan. It was incredible.
I've always wanted to go there.
You should. It's amazing.
I've always wanted to go there.
You should. It's amazing.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
Maybe my sense of humor.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
Maybe my sense of humor.
It's definitely one of your best qualities.
Thanks. I try to keep things light.
It's definitely one of your best qualities.
Thanks. I try to keep things light.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have an older brother.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have an older brother.
What's he like?
He's pretty laid back. We get along well.
What's he like?
He's pretty laid back. We get along well.
That's nice. Family is important.
Yeah, they're always there for you.
That's nice. Family is important.
Yeah, they're always there for you.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Just a bit of guitar, nothing fancy.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Just a bit of guitar, nothing fancy.
I bet you're good at it.
I'm still learning, but it's fun.
I bet you're good at it.
I'm still learning, but it's fun.
What's your favorite genre of music?
I like a bit of everything, but rock is my go-to.
What's your favorite genre of music?
I like a bit of everything, but rock is my go-to.
Any favorite bands or artists?
The Beatles are timeless, in my opinion.
Any favorite bands or artists?
The Beatles are timeless, in my opinion.
Can't go wrong with them.
Exactly, their music never gets old.
Can't go wrong with them.
Exactly, their music never gets old.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite pastimes.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite pastimes.
What's the last book you read?
The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald.
What's the last book you read?
The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald.
Classic choice. It's a great book.
Yeah, it's a masterpiece.
Classic choice. It's a great book.
Yeah, it's a masterpiece.
You believe in love at first sight?
I think it's more about connection over time.
You believe in love at first sight?
I think it's more about connection over time.
Agreed. It's about getting to know someone.
Exactly. Love grows with understanding.
Agreed. It's about getting to know someone.
Exactly. Love grows with understanding.
What's your idea of a perfect date?
Probably something simple, like a picnic in the park.
What's your idea of a perfect date?
Probably something simple, like a picnic in the park.
That sounds lovely. I'd enjoy that too.
It's all about the company, right?
That sounds lovely. I'd enjoy that too.
It's all about the company, right?
Definitely, spending time together matters most.
Absolutely. That's what makes it special.
Definitely, spending time together matters most.
Absolutely. That's what makes it special.
Would you like to do something this weekend?
Sure, I'd love to.
Would you like to do something this weekend?
Sure, I'd love to.
Any ideas on what we could do?
Maybe we could go for a hike or visit the museum.
Any ideas on what we could do?
Maybe we could go for a hike or visit the museum.
Both sound great. Let's decide closer to the time.
Sounds like a plan.
Both sound great. Let's decide closer to the time.
Sounds like a plan.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. It'll be fun.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. It'll be fun.
You always know how to make plans exciting.
Just trying to keep things interesting.
You always know how to make plans exciting.
Just trying to keep things interesting.
Well, it's working.
Thanks, you're pretty fun to be around too.
Well, it's working.
Thanks, you're pretty fun to be around too.
Thanks, you're not so bad yourself.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Thanks, you're not so bad yourself.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Anytime.
Same to you.
Anytime.
Same to you.
Have you ever tried surfing?
No, but I've always wanted to.
Have you ever tried surfing?
No, but I've always wanted to.
It's exhilarating. We should go together sometime.
That sounds like an adventure.
It's exhilarating. We should go together sometime.
That sounds like an adventure.
Definitely, it'll be a blast.
I can't wait.
Definitely, it'll be a blast.
I can't wait.
You prefer summer or winter?
Definitely summer. I love the warm.
You prefer summer or winter?
Definitely summer. I love the warm.
Same here, winter can be too cold.
Yeah, it's nice to be able to enjoy the outdoors.
Same here, winter can be too cold.
Yeah, it's nice to be able to enjoy the outdoors.
Have you ever been to a music festival?
No, but I'd love to experience one.
Have you ever been to a music festival?
No, but I'd love to experience one.
They're amazing. The energy is unreal.
It sounds like a lot of fun.
They're amazing. The energy is unreal.
It sounds like a lot of fun.
Would you ever go camping?
Yeah, I enjoy being in nature.
Would you ever go camping?
Yeah, I enjoy being in nature.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
Probably hiking. It's so peaceful.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
Probably hiking. It's so peaceful.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a dog named Max.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a dog named Max.
Dogs are the best. What breed is he?
He's a Labrador Retriever.
Dogs are the best. What breed is he?
He's a Labrador Retriever.
They're such loyal companions.
Yeah, he's always by my side.
They're such loyal companions.
Yeah, he's always by my side.
Do you like to dance?
Yeah, but I'm not very good at it.
Do you like to dance?
Yeah, but I'm not very good at it.
It's all about having fun, right?
Exactly, as long as you're enjoying yourself.
It's all about having fun, right?
Exactly, as long as you're enjoying yourself.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food, especially pizza.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food, especially pizza.
Pizza is always a good choice.
Yeah, it's a classic.
Pizza is always a good choice.
Yeah, it's a classic.
Do you have any hidden talents?
Not really, I'm pretty average.
Do you have any hidden talents?
Not really, I'm pretty average.
I'm sure there's something special about you.
Maybe, I just haven't discovered it yet.
I'm sure there's something special about you.
Maybe, I just haven't discovered it yet.
Do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities?
It depends on my mood, but I enjoy both.
Do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities?
It depends on my mood, but I enjoy both.
Variety is the spice of life, right?
Definitely, it keeps things interesting.
Variety is the spice of life, right?
Definitely, it keeps things interesting.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I've always wanted to visit Greece.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I've always wanted to visit Greece.
It's a beautiful place. I hope you get to go someday.
Yeah, it's on my bucket list.
It's a beautiful place. I hope you get to go someday.
Yeah, it's on my bucket list.
Do you enjoy going to concerts?
Yeah, the atmosphere is always electric.
Do you enjoy going to concerts?
Yeah, the atmosphere is always electric.
What's the best concert you've been to?
Probably a Coldplay concert. It was unforgettable.
What's the best concert you've been to?
Probably a Coldplay concert. It was unforgettable.
Coldplay puts on an amazing show.
Yeah, they're incredible live.
Coldplay puts on an amazing show.
Yeah, they're incredible live.
You have any favorite TV shows?
I love watching sitcoms. They always make me laugh.
You have any favorite TV shows?
I love watching sitcoms. They always make me laugh.
Laughter is the best medicine, right?
Absolutely, it's good for the soul.
Laughter is the best medicine, right?
Absolutely, it's good for the soul.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I enjoy curling up with a good book.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I enjoy curling up with a good book.
Sounds cozy. Do you have a favorite book?
To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee.
Sounds cozy. Do you have a favorite book?
To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee.
It's a classic, with good reason.
Yeah, it's a powerful story.
It's a classic, with good reason.
Yeah, it's a powerful story.
Do you believe in fate or free will?
I think it's a mix of both.
Do you believe in fate or free will?
I think it's a mix of both.
That's a balanced perspective.
Yeah, life is unpredictable that way.
That's a balanced perspective.
Yeah, life is unpredictable that way.
What's your favorite season?
I love the colors of autumn.
What's your favorite season?
I love the colors of autumn.
It's a beautiful time of year.
Yeah, the crisp air and falling leaves are magical.
It's a beautiful time of year.
Yeah, the crisp air and falling leaves are magical.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy photography in my free time.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy photography in my free time.
Any favorite subjects to photograph?
I love capturing landscapes and sunsets.
Any favorite subjects to photograph?
I love capturing landscapes and sunsets.
Nature is truly breathtaking.
Yeah, it's inspiring.
Nature is truly breathtaking.
Yeah, it's inspiring.
Would you ever go on a road trip?
Yeah, it sounds like a great adventure.
Would you ever go on a road trip?
Yeah, it sounds like a great adventure.
Road trips are the best way to explore.
Definitely, you never know what you'll discover.
Road trips are the best way to explore.
Definitely, you never know what you'll discover.
Do you have any goals for the future?
I hope to travel more and pursue my passions.
Do you have any goals for the future?
I hope to travel more and pursue my passions.
Those sound like wonderful aspirations.
Yeah, I'm excited for what lies ahead.
Those sound like wonderful aspirations.
Yeah, I'm excited for what lies ahead.
You enjoy going to museums?
Yeah, I find them really interesting.
You enjoy going to museums?
Yeah, I find them really interesting.
What's your favorite museum?
Probably the Museum of Natural History.
What's your favorite museum?
Probably the Museum of Natural History.
It's fascinating, so much to learn there.
Yeah, I could spend hours exploring it.
It's fascinating, so much to learn there.
Yeah, I could spend hours exploring it.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
Maybe my kindness towards others.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
Maybe my kindness towards others.
That's a beautiful quality to have.
Thanks. I believe in treating others how you want to be treated.
That's a beautiful quality to have.
Thanks. I believe in treating others how you want to be treated.
Do you have any favorite childhood memories?
Playing in the park with my friends.
Do you have any favorite childhood memories?
Playing in the park with my friends.
Those are always special.
Yeah, they bring back happy times.
Those are always special.
Yeah, they bring back happy times.
Any plans for the upcoming holiday?
Just spending time with family.
Any plans for the upcoming holiday?
Just spending time with family.
Family time is the best time.
Yeah, it's what makes the holidays special.
Family time is the best time.
Yeah, it's what makes the holidays special.
It's always so festive.
Yeah, it puts me in the holiday spirit.
It's always so festive.
Yeah, it puts me in the holiday spirit.
What's your favorite thing about winter?
I love snuggling up by the fireplace.
What's your favorite thing about winter?
I love snuggling up by the fireplace.
It's so cozy and comforting.
Yeah, it's the perfect way to unwind.
It's so cozy and comforting.
Yeah, it's the perfect way to unwind.
Have you ever been to a live theater performance?
Yeah, I've seen a few plays.
Have you ever been to a live theater performance?
Yeah, I've seen a few plays.
It's a unique experience, isn't it?
Definitely, there's something magical about live theater.
It's a unique experience, isn't it?
Definitely, there's something magical about live theater.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
Maybe my sense of humor.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
Maybe my sense of humor.
It's definitely one of your best qualities.
Thanks. I like to keep things light.
It's definitely one of your best qualities.
Thanks. I like to keep things light.
You enjoy cooking?
Yeah, it's a creative outlet for me.
You enjoy cooking?
Yeah, it's a creative outlet for me.
What's your signature dish?
Probably my homemade lasagna.
What's your signature dish?
Probably my homemade lasagna.
It sounds delicious.
Thanks. I put a lot of love into it.
It sounds delicious.
Thanks. I put a lot of love into it.
You like to travel?
Yeah, I love exploring new places.
You like to travel?
Yeah, I love exploring new places.